Now, good afternoon, my dear class 11 student. This is a class of BST, and last we discussed about your project. The project, one of the project is given in the when the session started. That is on some product basis. Now the second project. This is also the very important project that you have to make. If you didn't make the first project, you have to make this, that is insurance. Insurance you have already actually read in your business service chapter. Now yesterday I discussed about the points, what should you cover in your project. Now today I am actually again repeating the point what you should discuss in your project. And yesterday I have given some terminologies used in the insurance also, and I have written down in board, so you are not following the actually classes. Okay, that will be very problematic for you in future. So now today I am also discussing the same, that is insurance, project in insurance. Now insurance you already learned in your business service chapter. So insurance project, and that you have to complete within a 7 or 8 days. So who actually not present in the class, you just share with your friend the new project you have to make, that is insurance, and as early as possible you should do that, because anytime the project submission date will be announced. Okay, so what would the point you have to cover? Number one is introduction related to insurance. Introduction, that is risks and uncertainty are a part of life, that all these things you can get from your book also. Introduction first. Second is history of insurance. History of insurance. Lloyd's contribution. Lloyd's actually first started this insurance concept. So what is Lloyd's contribution? Lloyd's contribution, you can write it, that will be very helpful for you. Now third point, you have to do the meaning of insurance. Number 4, functions of insurance. What are the different functions? That all you get from your insurance chapter, business service. Functions of insurance. What are the different functions? Number 5, terminologies. Terminologies actually I have discussed yesterday. Terminologies used in insurance, that I have discussed yesterday. Okay. Number 6, what are the different terminology? That is premium, lapse policy, maturity date. That are the different terminology you can find internet also. Okay, so that you have to Sneha Das is here. Now somebody actually enter in sometimes and see something and just leave out. Terminologies used in insurance. New project I am giving, that is insurance project, that is find in your book. And what are the points you should cover, that I am writing in here. Okay. Yesterday also I have discussed. Today I am also discussed. So we have to make your project very fast and submission date will be announced shortly. Okay. Now you just also share these things with your friends also. Okay. Am I audible, Sneha? Okay. Now very look carefully. Second is number 6 is development of regulatory mechanism. Development of regulatory mechanism. What is the regulatory mechanism in insurance? Okay. That is insurance project. You have to make this. These are the points you should cover. That is introduction, history of insurance, lawyer's contribution, meaning of insurance, function of insurance, terminologies used in insurance, development of regulatory mechanism. Okay. Now Kritika also joined. Last day I discussed some of the terminologies. So you have to make this project very fast. Anytime the submission date will be announced. Now, what are the other points? Come to the number 7. Point number 7, that is insurance companies in India. What are the different companies' name you have to share? Insurance that is number 7, insurance companies in India. Number 8, general insurance companies of India. Insurance companies in India, there is 2 type of insurance company you know. One is life insurance company. Number 8, the life insurance companies of India. Life insurance companies name you have to tell. Life insurance companies in India. Number 9, that is general insurance companies in India. General insurance companies in India. Now number 10, principle of insurance. What are the different principle of insurance is there? Principle of insurance that you have to discuss. Most of the point you will find in your book, chapter business service. What you didn't find, one of the thing I discussed, that is the terminology. Okay, terminology I have already discussed. Now, what are the types of insurance? Types of insurance. Number 12, we know there is a 2 type, one is life insurance and one is general insurance. Now types of insurance, under type of insurance we have to write types of life insurance policy. Types of life insurance policy. Okay, now you have to discuss general insurance also, types of general insurance, types of general insurance, that is health insurance, fire insurance, marine insurance, and other insurance also. Other insurance, that is also falls under general insurance. Now last of all, that is number 14. So now can you look at properly? You can see the board. These are the points you have to discuss in a project. You will not given on YouTube. No, actually this is not uploaded actually, but today it will be uploaded, so that I am actually repeating the same thing whatever I have discussed in yesterday. Kritika was present there. But it will be better to write the points. Okay. Kritika, have you actually written down the point, different terminologies what I have discussed yesterday? And you should also convey this project with share with your friends also. Okay, now look. Kritika, yesterday you were present, right? Am I audible to you, Kritika? Kritika, am I audible to you? Have you completed, Sneha? Sneha, have you completed? Okay. Now, number 14. The last point, that is importance of insurance to the business. Number 14, importance of insurance to the business. That's point you also discuss. Okay. Yesterday I have also discussed about these points. Today I am also again repeating the thing. Today I am also discuss the terminologies. What are the terminologies used? Because in your insurance chapter this terminology is not in there. But other thing you can find your business service chapter, that is in there there is a topic insurance. From there you actually collect most of the information. Or other information just like history of insurance, Lloyd contribution, we will find in internet. Okay, so from that you have to collect some data actually, and you just make your project, and that will be very fast. You have to do anytime the submission date can be announced, so that you have to complete it in a 31st December or as early as possible. but I have already given a project in basis of some product that will also prevail. It is not that the earlier project is cancelled. Okay, if you make it, then it will be okay. And this project I think is easier for you, so that I am giving this. If you did not make the project the earlier I have given, you can do it very fast, so that I am giving the another project, that is insurance. Okay, Kritika, can you listen me? Can you hear me? Kritika, are you there? Now, expansion. Expansion means I don't understand, Sneha. What are you telling? Now I am giving some terminologies. You have to just go to the internet and you can find these terminologies. That is terminologies used in insurance. That 14 points you have to cover in your insurance project. Okay. Now terminologies used. One of the point was terminologies used in insurance. What are the terminologies? So number 1, that is insurer. Insurer. Now we have to write down who is insurer. Number 2, insured. Now what is insured? That all you find in internet or any other book. What is insurance policy? Insurance policy. Number 4, lapse policy. What is lapse policy? Lapse policy. Number 5, maturity date. Maturity date. Now what is maturity date in case of insurance? Number 6, maturity value. Maturity value. Number 7, surrender value. Surrender value. Number 9, market value. Market value. Number 10, face value. Now these are the terminologies used in a insurance, and each and every you have to describe what is insurer, who actually insured, what is insurance policy, what is lapse policy, what is maturity date, that you have to explain. Okay, you can find it easily in internet. Have you understood? Sneha, have you understood? Last one is face value. Number 9 is market value. Last is face value. What is face value? Have you completed? Number 8. Okay, sorry. Actually, it is the number 8. 6. After surrender value, there is a market value, and number 9 is face value. Okay. Number 9 is face value. I mix up with the numbers. Kritika, are you there? What said this means? The point you have to write, and also you have to discuss what is insurance. Suppose insurance means, what is insurance, you have to discuss. The party which promises to carry the loss is called insurance, insurer, that is insurance company. This type of thing you have to write. Now who insured, what is insured? The person or the property subject to risk is called insured. This type of things you have to, one line you have to mention, okay, against this point. Okay, Kritika written that there is a network problem, that's why message I cannot send by her. Okay, so next is there is a power cut. Can you see me? Just wait a minute, there is a power cut actually happened.